The science experiment. In an exciting science classroom, there was a boy named Jake who was passionate about conducting experiments. His teacher, Mrs. Turner, appreciated his curiosity but reminded him to follow the safety rules and her instructions carefully. One day, Jake decided to conduct a challenging experiment without paying much attention to the safety guidelines provided by Mrs. Turner. He thought he could handle it on his own. During the experiment, an unexpected reaction occurred, and Jake narrowly avoided an accident. Mrs. Turner rushed to his aid and, while ensuring his safety, reminded him about the importance of obeying her instructions. Jake realized his mistake and the importance of obeying his teacher's guidance. He understood that safety rules and teachers' instructions were in place for a reason and should always be followed. Jake's story teaches us that obeying our teachers' instructions and safety rules is essential for our well-being and the success of our learning experiences. Moral of the story: Jake's story teaches us the importance of obeying our teachers' instructions and safety rules for our own well-being and successful learning.